Alright, so first thing I'll need is my towel. Now what I need is just to separate my hair. The next thing I'm gonna need to do is just wet my hair a bit because I already took a shower. It's kind of late, so I just want to film this video for you guys to get myself ready. I don't know why, but I always end up doing a voiceover. I don't even know why I bother talking through videos anymore. But today I am extremely excited because Andre Walker has sent me the golden system, his golden system that he created himself. If you guys have no clue who Andre Walker is, he has been Oprah Winfrey. I know you guys know who Oprah Winfrey is. He has been Oprah Winfrey hairstyles for more than 25 years, and he basically created the hair typing system. So when you see hair A, B, C, or type 3 hair A, B, C, that is who created that system. So I just want to thank the whole team that works with Andre Walker. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to try your products. It is an honor for sending me these things, and for those small YouTubers out there, I just want to let you guys know it is possible. Even though you consider a small YouTuber, your work is still being seen by everyone out there. So eventually you keep being consistent, you keep doing what you're doing, and everything will work out. So okay, that's my little push of motivation. But anyway, back to the products. So he basically came out with 3 products alone for the system. His motto on this whole line is, you don't need lots of products, you just need the right ones. And that is so true, because a lot of natural hair products come out with so many pieces that we just don't even know what to do with our hair. First product that I'm going to be using is the Ultimate Moisture Sulfate Free Shampoo. Now let me tell you guys, you don't need a lot to set up in your hair. Like as soon as this hits your hair, there's a lot of foam, there's a lot of sodding up. It spreads extremely fast, so you really don't need a lot with this shampoo. I went overboard with this. I don't even know what I was doing, to be quite honest. It's like I just put a lot in my hand and then put it to my scalp. Normally I do recommend using this product just on the scalp and letting the water rinse it out to the rest of your hair, cleansing your hair, because after rinsing this product out, my hair felt very clean. Like it felt squeaky clean. I felt like my hair was stripped, and I don't really like that when using a shampoo. So I'm not too sure if I used too much product or it's just a stripping shampoo for my hair texture. I don't know. So I'm going to retry it again using less and see if it works any differently. The next item that I'm going to be using is the conditioner. So instead of using a regular conditioner, he used a deep conditioner, TKO Ultimate Moisturizing Conditioner. It's a keratin therapy for textured, coarse or dry hair, worn kinky, curly or straight. So after using the shampoo, you're gonna go straight into the deep conditioner. They do recommend leaving it in conditioner for at least 3 minutes. If you guys want more of a deeper conditioning, then leave it in for 30 minutes, and of course add some heat, especially with a low porosity hair like mine. Definitely add some heat whenever you're doing a deep condition. Now I will say with this product, it's very thick, but yet still you can detangle a lot with it. This was definitely by far my favorite out of the 3 products that I have tried from this line. The consistency is it's thick, like I said, but it's very slippery, so you're able to detangle with the product. So the whole line is basically derived from a nut tree in Africa. It's called the raw Mongongo, I think I pronounced that correctly, I'm not sure, oil. It basically penetrates into your hair shaft, which adds shines and softness. It also helps to strengthen and improve breakage and split ends. So after properly distributing it towards my strands, I sat on the dryer for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and my hair felt super moisturized after using it. I felt like the shampoo slightly took away, and then the conditioner definitely added back moisture and shine to my hair. So the last product from the line is a beautiful KINKS styling cream jelly. Now, I'm not going to lie, this I did a wash and go because I had work the following day, so I didn't have time to do anything else that'll make it short, and I had to make sure that it stayed in my hair. So I used this cream jelly with my extreme wet line gel, and it was a no-go. Absolutely no go. Once I put this in and then I added gel, the two of those things just clashed together. It was not working. They did not like each other. My hair was not having it at all. Unfortunately, I had to wear it like that for a bit, only because I had work for the past 4 days straight, so I didn't have time to wash my hair at all. But let me tell you guys, I had so much flakes, like flakes galore, and I wear black, so unfortunately the black was definitely allowing the flakes to show more. So if I dare touch my hair, flakes was just falling onto my shoulders, and that was just a big turn off for me, unfortunately. But I do think it's because I mix it with the wet line extreme gel, because as I go through this product and as I watch other people doing reviews on the line, they have used it alone. They didn't use it with anything else. They just use it alone to do their wash and go or their twist outs. So with that being said, I definitely want to retry these products using only these 3 products in my hair and give you guys a second opinion, because mixing this with gel is definitely a no-go for me. Please do not do it, guys. If you guys do it, you're gonna get a lot of flakes in your hair. You're gonna get a lot of flakes on your clothes, on your bed. It's just gonna be flakes all over. It did have a neat, nice hole to it. My coils was popping. Overall, I love the fact that it's just 3 products for the line, specifically for kinky coily hair. I absolutely love it. It's simple, straight to the point, cut to the chase. Do what you need to do to get your hair done, healthy and styled. It is on his website right now. It is for $39 because they do have it on sale. It's regularly $63. So if you guys want to check out these products, I do recommend doing it now because you have 38% off. So that is a very good deal if you guys want to at least try out his products to see how it works on your hair. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm sorry guys, with the flakes, it's just not working for me. I'm going to retry it again, doing a twist out or braid out with just using the 1 product alone. So definitely subscribe, like, and you guys are going to see that video as soon as it shows up. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my other video. Peace.